pre-made bag packaging solution for ready-to-eat chicken wings. Our pre-formed bag vacuum packaging system reaches a production rate of 80 packs per minute for chicken wings, high speed and stable. We loaded an ample supply of bags into the bag magazine. Next, we arrived at the coding station, which is used to print the production date. This is the third step, opening the bag for filling. The system is equipped with a storage hopper elevator and a rotary feeder for manual feeding. Only one operator is needed to place the chicken wings into the measuring cups to complete the discharge process. This can effectively reduce labor costs. After discharging, a secondary pushing step is performed to ensure better sealing. This step involves rotary air blowing, which also contributes to better sealing and packaging. After completing these steps, the chicken wings are ready to be transferred into the vacuum chamber. The coordination of two rotary tables enables more efficient vacuum packaging. Once packaged, the chicken wings are discharged onto a conveyor, ready for the secondary packing and cartoning stage. Looking to package ready-to-eat snacks like these? Get in touch with me today.